What is going on, guys? Paul James here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my #1 website recommendation for making passive income online. If you ain't beefing about the money, then what's the problem? Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. You're probably noticing that in my next upcoming videos is going to be a little change of scenery. That's because I'm actually down here in Florida. We're here checking out investment properties, so that's pretty cool. But anyways guys, I want to share with you the #1 website for making passive income online. And if you're interested in that and you're excited to see it, do me a favor and smash a like on this video. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, this is a place where we talk about making money, entrepreneurship, passive income. So if you're into any of those things, I'd recommend that you drop below the video, hit the subscribe button, and if you want, you can actually leave a comment after you subscribe saying something like "I've subscribed," and I will go back through and I will reply it back to you, welcoming you to the channel, because I'm so excited that you're here with us today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna hop on my computer, and we're gonna go and break this down. Alright guys, so like the title of the video says, the #1 website to make passive income online. That's what we're going to be talking about today in this video, so let's get right into it. So I'll be sharing in this video not only the #1 website to make passive income, but also I'm going to be giving you 5 ways that you can actually use this website to actually make passive income. Now, what I want to say before we get into it is to make sure that you stick around until the end to see all 5, so sell all 5, it's supposed to say see all 5. Boy, if you don't get... Anyways, I want you to stick around till the end so you can decide which one of these is right for you. And also, some of the methods that I'm going to show you are completely passive, and some are not as passive right out of the gate, unless, of course, you hire some outsources to help you out. So like, they might entail some repeatable tasks that you have to do and that sort of thing, and you know, you could make it even more passive by actually hiring someone to help out with it. So I'll try and point those out along the way. So let's get into it. My #1 website for passive income, the recommendation is Google.com. Now the reason why is because there are so many different ways to make money on it, as you're going to see in this video. And like I said, just off of the top of my head, I was able to come up with 5 different ways. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, way number 5, we're going to start from 5 and work our way down to the top 1, is local marketing. So what I mean by local marketing is if you go into Google and you search for something like dentist in Orlando, Florida, right? Let's say that you have, I don't know, like a tooth pain or something, and maybe you're new to the area. The first thing that you're gonna do, or like me, I'm here on vacation, right? Maybe I've got a cavity or something. I'm gonna come in here because I'm not from the area. I'm gonna type in dentist Orlando, and what I'm gonna probably do is I'm gonna probably start clicking around on whichever one of these shows up. So Excellence in Dentistry, Lake Nona Dental Group, Simmons Dental Center. I'm probably going to start looking at these different ones. If I was in need of cosmetic dentistry, I might click on this one. So what you could actually do is you could go and you could approach people, not people who are on page 1, go back to like page 2 or 3 and approach these people and offer to work with them to help get them on page 1. So obviously the reason why is because when you're in need of something like this, you're not going to keep going back page and page and page and page. You're going to go to the #1 page because those are the people that are showing up first. So number 5 on our list is doing local stuff, finding local business owners either in your area, or you can pick a target area that you want to target and work with them to get them on page 1 using search engine optimization. Okay, so that's number 5. Let's go to number 4. Number 4 is kind of unique. It's a 360 photographer, or I like to just say like a Google photographer in general. Now, there's different listings on Google where there's pictures that show up. And you've probably seen this if you went and searched for local business owners before, but they actually have a program set up where you can become a trusted photographer. And they have some different qualifications. You guys should go and check this out. The website is up here. It's google.com/intl/en/street view/earn. But you could just go and type in 360 photographer into Google and you'll see this pop up. Now, the cool part about this is once you meet these qualifications, you can get this badge and actually start promoting that you're like a trusted photographer. You can go and you can start selling this. And you can see here that I pulled up this other website here to get, you know, some ideas of what people were actually charging for this service. And you can see here the starting fee is $350, which covers a small uncomplicated layout. So for even more complicated ones, you're gonna charge a lot more than that. So if you're into like photography and that sounds like something that might be of interest to you, this could be a really good way to make money with it. Now, it's not going to be super passive, because this one you're going to actually have to go out there and go out and shoot businesses, but you could make it passive by going on to sites like Craigslist and looking for photographers who need work, and you could essentially find the work, be the finder, or hire outsourcers to be the finder and let them do the work and make it more passive for you by kind of outsourcing it out like that. Okay, so that's number 4 on our list. That is the 360 photographer. Number 3 is Google Ads. Now, this was previously known as Google AdWords, but they changed it now to Google Ads. So if you go to ads.google.com, you can actually get signed up on the platform. And if you're new to the platform, they'll give you $75 in free ad credit. Now, what could you do with this? Well, ads show up at the top of every Google search. So even on my Dentist Orlando search, check this out. The ones in green are ads. So what you could do is kind of similar to number 5 that we talked about with local business owners. You could go out there, find local business owners and put them at the top without SEO by just running ads for them. So essentially you have them give you like a retainer of maybe a couple grand a month, and you could take $1,000 of that retainer and use it for ad spend, and take the other $1,000 and keep that $1,000 for your management fee. So essentially whatever they give you, you keep half for a management fee to run the ads for them, and the other half you're going to use for their ad spend. And they pay you this every single month, and that's exactly what a lot of these guys are doing. They've got agencies that run these ads for them. Now, a good way to do it is to reverse engineer what other business owners are doing, and then you can model your ads after that. So you can see that a lot of these business owners are using the call to action to make an appointment today. And some of them are also putting in special pricing for new patients. I noticed that experienced is also a word that comes up a lot. Experienced dentists nearby, and this one says experienced professionals. So this is pretty solid. We know that these ads are working because multiple people are using them. So we would want to structure our ad very similar. Something about making an appointment today, something about a special deal, and something about to convey that they're experienced or maybe an expert. And that would be exactly how you would set up your ad. And Google Ads makes it really easy, because you could actually even just call someone if you don't know how to do it. Literally call them up, and that would be extremely passive because they'll actually set up the ad for you. You literally tell them what you want to say, and boom, it's done. All right, so that is number 3 on our list. That is Google Ads. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Now, this one is incredibly passive. Once you set this up, it's literally like you're good to go. It's incredibly passive. Now, affiliate marketing is when you have a product recommendation that people want to buy or are searching for, and you recommend it to them, and because you do that, you get a percentage of the sales. So you don't actually own any products, you don't deal with any fulfillment of products. If it's a digital or physical product, doesn't matter. Basically, you get a percentage of it. Now, for physical products, you usually get a smaller percentage, usually around like 6 or 7% commission. On digital products, it's upwards of way over 50% usually. So let's go and show an example of this. Let's say you're in the market to buy a juicer. You might be coming online and typing in best juicer. What you would do is you would rank your website somewhere in here. Like here's one for best juicer 2018. And people come before they want to purchase stuff like this, and they look up reviews and they look up comparisons. So if you can create like a blog that basically lists out the different juicer comparisons, like you can see here, they put out a table view of the different comparisons with the prices of them, the warranties, what type they are, the different ratings that they've found online. And when you go through and you click on this, you'll get an article with information. This is good for SEO because you're gonna be able to optimize for that keyword. But look what they're doing. They've got a link here to buy it on Amazon. Now, Amazon has an affiliate program. So by getting this ranked in Google, you're driving traffic to your website, and then you can make passive affiliate sales with the Amazon affiliate program or any affiliate program that you want, depending on what niche you enter. and now you've got completely passive income coming in, which is really awesome. And there's a lot of people that make a full-time living doing just this, and I make a lot of money doing affiliate marketing myself, actually. All right, and the number one way that I like is Google Maps. Now, Google Maps is actually how I built one of my first really big businesses. I'm gonna explain to you what it is if you don't know. Let's pretend that you were looking for a chiropractor. You could come into Google, you probably end up typing in chiropractor, whatever your city is, or maybe you type in back adjustment or something like that, right? And what you're gonna get under the ads, real prevalent, is this map listing. Now, the map listing contains 3 listings. Sometimes it contains ads as well, but organically it contains 3 listings, which are really powerful, because when you can get someone there and they stand out, you know, because sometimes people don't like clicking on ads. I myself personally ignore ads. I just scroll right past them, and I'm sure you probably do too. Some people will click on them, but a lot of people won't, right? So when you scroll past the ads, you've got 3 listings that stick out very prevalent. And what you can actually do is you can go contract with a local business owner to partner with them to help get them placed here. So you want to look for a business owner that's not actually here already and get them placed here. And what's really cool about this is, compared to like regular SEO, this is a lot easier and a lot more passive, because once you set it up, it's usually going to continue to rank. And what you can do is you can charge clients $1,000 a month to basically keep them positioned there. You're basically just coming in once a month, making sure they're still ranking, sometimes adding them into local directory sites like Yelp or like Angie's List. That'll help keep them ranked. But it's a lot easier because you're not competing with people on a national level. The reason why this works so well is that you need a local address. So when you partner with a local business owner, they have that location, that local address, which gives you the ability to create one of these listings on their behalf. So it's really, really powerful. You know, a lot of our customers and subscribers here who watch the channel and who've actually implemented this charge upwards of over $1,000 a month to do this, which is what I recommend, at least charging that. And basically one client, that's like $12,000 a year if that's what you charge. And it can be super passive once you get it set up. So anyways, I will leave a link if you want to check out a free workshop on how to actually set people up on this and get them ranking on it. And you can actually go out there and land clients doing that. But yeah, guys, that is the video and that is the method. Alright guys, so that is the method, that is the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, again, don't forget to smash a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you want, share the video. That really helps grow the channel. But anyways, guys, that is it. Also, I'll have a link in the description below to that free workshop if you want to learn more about doing stuff with maps. Like I said, that's one of the first ways I've built a really massive business when I got started. Alright guys, we'll see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.